Hey, another different kind of video for you today. I thought we'd put one of these heavy steel poles into the ground. So here's the hole I prepared earlier. I actually used a rotary hammer to dig this because the clay was pretty hard, and it came up pretty easy with using a rotary hammer. And then I put some drainage gravel and some Rio that I prepared beforehand. Ran a plumb line between the other posts that I put in there before, and then I used this little device to center my pole in exactly the spot that I want it. So I run it along the string line, and then I can measure exactly how far from the other poles I want that to be. Like I said, it's a pretty heavy steel pole. I couldn't lift it by myself, so I stuck a wheel in the end so I could wheel it around by myself. And then to get it into the ground, I'm going to use a tripod that I built myself. So this is just made of construction timber. It's got a couple of pulleys and a rope and a boat winch. I'm using this. I can easily put this post into the ground by myself. Just recenter it, winch it up again. It gives about 6 times mechanical advantage, so it's very easy. And then the winch lets you safely lower it down into the hole. And I usually lower it a bit further than it needs to go and then winch it back up to the right level. Just need to have someone to tell you when to stop.
Stop.
Thanks. Alright, and then I lock it into place. Make sure it's all plumb. And then brace it with a few bits of construction timber and clamps, just so it doesn't move while I add concrete to the hole. Add the concrete and we're done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.